I'm about 30 minutes into releasing this plug. I went to PK in Texas. Had a buddy help me out, told me to pull the plug. Trusted him. I've had my boat covered up. It's gotten water in it, but we've had a lot of rain over here in Wichita Falls, Texas. This is about 30-35 minutes of this water coming out. I thought everything was good. I did notice my tires were getting low. They're coming up now, but I thought they were just going low, you know, from not driving it. I mean, my boat is tarped all the way down. That rain, all that water, we've been having a lot. It's been getting in my boat. I mean, imagine 35 minutes of water pouring out of that hole. Made the mistake of not double checking and making sure that plug wasn't taken out. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pay for the consequences. Motor's gone probably. I mean, that water goes down the block. My yard's getting flooded. I mean, literally flooded. It's a good weekend, turns into a lost investment. I kid you not. We're getting close to an hour of this pouring out. I had no reason to think that it was holding water. Like I said, the only thing I noticed was the tires were getting low. Came out here to check it. Sure enough. Check them plugs, boys. I'm pretty sure my motor's gone.